Hello, we're here at Resourcing Tomorrow 2025. Joining me in the Proactive studio, Joshua Forrester. He's project manager at White Gold Corp. Josh, very good to meet you. So, what brings you to Resourcing Tomorrow?
I was lucky to get asked to come out and help Jerry and White Gold share the story of White Gold Corp and what we're working on in the Klondike District.
So, what's the story you're telling investors, Josh?
Well, we have the White Gold Corp is a Yukon-based exploration company where our portfolio is kind of revolved around the heart of the Klondike Gold District, where over 20 million ounces of gold have been extracted out of the creeks. So the main focus of our exploration is to find the source of that gold, and we're well on the way to doing that. We're currently sitting on a combined resource of roughly 3 million ounces at just about 1.5 grams per ton gold, and we have a strong pipeline of grassroots and discovery stage projects to keep us busy.
Yeah, I mean, you're out with drill results or assays from the first hole for 2025 at Golden Saddle. That was last month. Tell us what those assays told you and how encouraging you are by them.
Okay, so the focus of that drill hole was to confirm the existence and continuity of a high-grade footwall zone at the base of our deposit, as well as filling in some of the shallower high-grade core where we actually intercepted one of the best drill hole, one of the best results we've gotten on the project in history, which was 6.8 grams per ton gold over 50 meters, roughly. So, it's looking good. There's lots of opportunity for expansion on the deposit. Historically, we've put in roughly 60,000 meters on the deposit, and for comparison, the Coffee deposit has in the realm of 600,000 meters. So, the future's looking good for the deposit and the expansion potential on the deposit and the property as a whole, and then across the entire district.
And you closed a $23 million upsized private placement back in October. How does that give you the financial runway to take the project forward?
Oh, well, we just brought on a new VP, Dylan Langille. He's well versed in the game of developing major gold deposits. So I think he's going to be able to take that money and bring us home with the Golden Saddle specifically, and help us expand and define some of these satellite opportunities to really grow our portfolio.
So the sort of milestones your investors should be looking out for as we head into 2026?
Okay, well, we have the release of the 4 more diamond drill hole results on the Golden Saddle and the Arc deposits. Then we're coming out with a PEA, so that's White Gold's first foray at it, showing the market the capital or the financial strength of our asset. And then obviously maybe 25,000 meters of drilling. So I think a lot of catalysts coming in the pipeline. It's the most catalyst-rich 12 months White Gold's ever had. So the future's looking good.
Great. Well, thanks for coming down and sharing the story. Very good to meet you.
Thank you. You too.
That's Joshua Forrester. He's project manager at White Gold Corp.